guys, I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. So I'm back with episode number 4 of 100% risk in relying on one source of income. And I'm so excited to be telling you about this topic today because this one concept, when I learned, changed my life. I mean, this single concept, if you're able to implement in your life, you would be able to go from one source of income to multiple sources of income so easily. I'm telling you guys. And so it becomes a must for you to listen to this video today and listen to me very carefully and really implement these concepts in your life. Because if you understand this concept clearly now, it would like blow your minds away and you would totally want to go in for it. It's just about you understanding it. So, the topic that I'm going to cover today is active income versus passive income. Guys, once you understand what passive income is, I am telling you, you would not want to go in for active sources of income, but only want to generate passive income sources for yourself. And that's why I said that once you understand this, it'll like blow your heads away. So, what exactly is an active income source and what exactly is a passive income source? Before I go to that, I want to discuss with you as to have you watched my previous videos? Because if you've not watched my previous videos, this video might not make a lot of sense to you. So before you proceed with it, do watch out my last videos in the series and then come to it. Because in the last videos I've been talking about that if you're on the journey of building up multiple sources of income, the prime importance for you would be to know the reason clearly in your mind as to why you want to make more money in your life. So your why should be very clear, crystal clear in your minds. Because unless and until you know a strong reason as to why you want to make up more money, why do you think would you be able to make it? Because every time you would feel that I'm not able to do it or I don't know the ways, it's your why that keeps you going. So it's really important for you to watch out my previous videos and then come to this one. Coming back to what is active income and what is passive income. Guys, active income, as the name suggests, is an income which you generate when you're actively trading your time to make money. For example, when you're working as an employer somewhere, you're into a job, the salary or the wages that you're getting or the commissions that you're getting or the bonuses that you're getting is a part of your active income, because if you stop going to the job or if you stop going for work, that income would not come to you. So it's directly proportional to the amount of time that you're putting in. Now, what is passive income? Passive income is the income that you can generate even when you're not that actively involved in the business or in the the area that you're working on to. Your time would eventually get shortened as we proceed, but your income increases with time. Now you would ask me, how can that happen? I mean, I'm not putting in time, then how will I be able to make money? Of course you can. How you can do it is that you have to leverage on some resources that are available around you. Now, don't expect to build passive income from the first day itself. If I say that, it would be a false statement. Why? Because to generate a passive income also, you have to be actively involved at first. But how is it different from an active income source? That when you're building an active income, it stops when you stop trading in your time. But for passive income, you have to put in initial efforts, maybe for a few years, and then the returns that would come to you would be like forever, and you won't have to trade your time anymore for it. For example, if you're investing into real estate, now when you invest into real estate and you're putting it on rent, the rent would come to you, but the amount of time that you would have to invest into it would not be every day, or not be 9 hours or 10 hours in a day for your entire life until you retire. Of course not, right? You would have to look out for a tenant. That would take your time. You would have to look at the keeping of the property that you're taking. That would take your time, but not like a lot of time like building an active income source, right? So that is what we call a passive income source. Or if you don't have that much amount of money to put into to buy a rental property, what you can do is you can leverage on the network of people around you. For example, direct selling industry or network marketing that works on you networking with a lot of people, putting in almost minimal investment, and keep putting in your time for, let's say, 3 to 4 years. Depends, you can take more, you can take less. Eventually that money would, your network would start working under you, and what will happen is that you would start making a passive income source. So there are like multiple examples. Like if I talk about coaches, how they start is they obviously start actively by coaching in one people, two people, or 100 people at a time. But what they do then is they generate audiobooks, they generate courses, and that takes in active time, to build it. But over a period of time, what they can then do is they can put it on their website, and the sales would generate income for them, which is totally passive, because now they're not putting in time to sell it. They're not doing live lectures where they have to actively invest their time. So are you getting the gist of it, that how active income is different from passive income? Now you would ask me that why do we need to go in for passive income to build in multiple sources of income? Guys, that's like so obvious. You have 24 hours in a day, and if you want to build up multiple sources, how many areas do you think you would be actively able to put in your time, and for how long? I mean, if the idea for you is that you have to keep putting in your time forever to build in money or build in wealth coming in for you, how long do you think you would be able to do it alone? And if you want to do it until the age of 60, then when will you ever have the time to enjoy your life or to create a lifestyle for you that you want to, have? When would you have the time to do the things that you would actually like to do? So, the overall idea about building up passive income sources is to save your time and to build up money faster for you. It's not a shortcut, but it's a faster way to build up money rather than building it only actively and working alone to do it. In order to build passive income, you have to either have money work out for you, you have to either have people working out with you or under you as a team, or you have to have other resources working out for you to provide you money. It cannot be possible that you are putting in 9 hours or 10 hours of work every day for the entire life, not investing your money and not leveraging other resources around you, and still making a lot of money. It's like almost next to impossible. So, if you want to really enjoy your lives and if you really want to go out for multiple sources of income, the best way for you is to look out for how many passive income sources you can build out for yourself and to scale it to another level. Because scalability is a must when you want to make in a lot of money. It cannot be limited to that you are keeping you're like putting your time and you're not generating any more money by leveraging onto other people's time. Because again, as I said, we are not here to live for 1,000 years. It's like 80, 100, maybe 120 years. That's a very limited time, and a lot of that has already passed. So it's already high time that you start building up multiple sources of income, because as I say again and again, that relying on one source of income is 100% risky. With this, I'll take a sign off, guys, and I'll see you back very soon with more around passive income sources. Thank you. Have a great day. Take care.